Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs, very stunning videos of crochet top blouses designs, crop top and top blouses ideas we are uploading in my channels in these attractive, these stunning videos and more creative designs ideas. So I will keep more stunning, keep more fabulous videos I have shared with you, and demanding videos of top blouses for different one colors combinations, two colors combinations, top blouses with carry, jean, crochet palazzo and pants. For floral printed pants are available in these channels and easily carry these university and college girls. And more creative videos, more stunning designs ideas for newly designs. Just looking gorgeous videos I have shared with you for crochet work. It's trending work. And न्यूली डिज़ाइंस को इजीली देखते रहिएगा और इस तरह की वीडियोस को कैप्चर करिएगा. I have shared attractive things, attractive newly designs for top blouses are making in more creative videos for different, some more different designs, different crochet works for different colors combinations in black and red, black and yellow, for black combinations, for overall colors and different perfect designs and colors scheme. It's depending on your choice, and we have to share with newly designs, newly attractive designs ideas. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members, for more creative, and it's totally designed. It's your choice. We have to share with you. I have shared with newly designs ideas, newly perfective videos, and give more attractive, give more fabulous designs ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Keep more fabulous, keep more stunning designs, and so I will attractive things, attractive designs, attractive crochet designs. So take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you?